think mas faster. Because the man, I think he walking here long time.
Yeah.
So he know.
Yeah.
And then also the Yi go with you. She say 3 years?
Yeah, the baby is 3 years.
Just only primary 3?
That was
What?
coming for
Primary 4. I think easy here. They can walking, they can running because no car. This is normal walk na. I think we're walking there before, Mom. Is it?
yeah, after waterfront.
Yeah, we're walking there.
Yeah.
Faster here, Mom.
Biasanya yang pasien SCC.
We need to go down or no?
For mama.
Yeah. Go down here. Stairs. Faster, Mom. Just 3 minutes, we are already here. Is it dangerous here, Mom? Dangerous to... Yeah. Straight and then here, Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no walking. Just cross here. Over Cove Road. 4 minutes. here, mom, right?
Yeah.
Because just this one. And this one is have you can cross the road here safely. When we go there, mom, I cross there and then you cross here. We see which one is easy. A short
This
walk.
one is better.
Which one? This one?
That one.
Direct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that one is more safe.
Then here.
So I can try different parts.
Oh, where you walk? I walk here and you walk there?
Yeah, I want there, over there. Cross here.
Yeah, I just cross here.
And cross the road. And then you see between the car
Yeah.
park, you go turn right.
This way, yeah, right? The one, the man? Can cross here. Or can cross there, easy.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye. You check, mom, how long? Yung nag-usap kami ng amo ko na magkaiba kami ng way para titignan namin kung saan kami mas mabilis ba. Nahanap naman yung mabilis na way. Kaya kami nagsama. Tapos nagkahiwalay kami dito. Tapos dito kami dadaan. Huwag lang ako maligaw. Tama naman to eh. Ito yung way. Tama to. Dito yung daan. Kasi hinanap namin yung shortcut. Tingnan natin kung saan mas mabilis. Feeling ko mas mabilis dito. Kasi makikita mo pa yung tambayan nila. Tambayan to ng mga mama. Checking the time. Normal walk, hindi naglakad, hindi tumakbo, hindi nagmabilis ng lakad. Normal walk lang. Ayan. Tapos liliko dito. Liliko lang dito. 10 minutes lang. Wala pang 10 minutes. Sabay may rest pa. So, ilang minuto ba ako nag-take? Mas mabilis. So, andito na tayo guys. Ito yung gate ng school. So, ayun na.